Now let's go on this face and let's create a sketch. Edit sketch, let's go normal 2. And let's choose offset entities. Let's go with 0.1 millimeter. Let's go reverse, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's choose features. Let's go Extruded Cut. Let's choose here up to surface and let's select this face here. Let's click OK. Like this. Now let's go here. Let's choose chamfer. Let's go with 0.1 millimeter. And let's choose this edge here, the outer edge. Like this. Actually, let's go with 0.05. Like this. And let's click OK. Like this. Now in the next step, we have to create those 2 holes here. So if we go to our picture, we can see those 2 holes. So let's create those 2 holes. Let's go to the sketch 1 and let's go edit sketch. Let's go normal 2. Let's choose center rectangle. Let's create a rectangle here. Like this. Let's click OK. Now let's put some dimensions. Let's go with 2 millimeters. And let's go here with 2.5 millimeters. Let's position this. So let's define the distance between this line and this line here. Let's go with 5 millimeters. And from this line to this line, let's go with 2 millimeters. Actually, let's go with 1.8 millimeters. Like this is more accurate. And let's change this to 5.1. Let's try this one. Let's actually go to 5.2, like this. So this is more accurate. Let's click OK. Now let's go to chamfer. Let's define 0.1 millimeter. And let's select this point here, this one here, this one here, and here. Let's click OK. And now we're going to mirror this rectangle to the other side. So let's go here and let's choose center line. Let's go from the origin, like this. Let's make horizontal line. Now let's go to mirror entities. Let's select this rectangle and mirror about this center line, like this. Let's click OK. And now we can exit sketch. And now here we have this hole. And now we have to create a feature here using Extruded Boss base. So let's go to this face here and let's create a sketch. Let's go normal 2. Like this. Let's create a line that goes all through origin, like this. Now let's go with offset entities. Let's go with 0.1 millimeter for now. Let's choose this edge, this edge, this edge here, this one and this one here, like this. Let's go with 0.05, like this. Let's click OK. Let's choose now trim, and let's trim this line here, this one here, and let's trim this here and this here, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go to features, Extruded Boss base, like this. Now let's choose up to surface. Let's choose this surface, like this. Now let's click OK. Now in the next step, we have to create a split line here. So we go to our picture. So here we have to define this edge here. So when we're gonna apply appearances, we wanna apply here the white one and here the blue one. So we can go to this face here and we can create a sketch on this face. Like this. Now let's go and let's choose a line. So let's create here a vertical line like this. This is not vertical. Let's click on the line and let's make it vertical. Like this. Now let's go to Smart Dimension. Let's define the distance between this line and this edge here. Let's go with 1 millimeter. Like this, let's click OK. Now we're going to use a tool, Split Line. So we want to split this surface with this line. So let's go here on this tab, right click, let's turn on Analysis Preparation. Here under Analysis Preparation, we have Split Line. So we go with type of split projection. Here for a sketch to project, we have selected this line, and here we have to choose faces to split. So we're going to choose this face, this face, this face, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now let's click OK. And now as you see, we got here a different faces, this one and this one. And those faces will help us later when we're going to apply appearances.